welcome back to the channel, and I'm on board of the Tuareg 660. Again, this is my third day with the motorcycle. I'm gonna return it to the dealership right now, but before I just wanted to show you how she behaves on normal road, which is the everyday commute or touring, whatever you want to do with it, because even if she's more designed for the off-road with these tires and all those things, she behaves really nice on this environment, because she does have a really nice engine, really nice performances. They say that top speed is 170 kilometers an hour, but she can reach a little bit more than that. Trust me, she can, okay? I'm not gonna say the top speed I was able to do, but it is more than that. Things I like on the motorcycle. First of all, third day with the motorcycle, like I said, and of course it gives me a little bit more knowledge about the motorcycle. Here is a 50 kilometers an hour, so I have to reduce a little bit my speed. I was gonna talk to you about the things that I like. Okay, thing I like, it's the when you disconnect the motorcycle and when you connect it again, it retains the riding mode that you were on, and that is a plus, okay? Because other brands, they tend to shift back to a standard riding mode, and this one simply leaves it as it is, which is good, because if you are doing off-road and you want to stop, grab a bite to eat or something, when you want to go back on the motorcycle, you don't want to be reconfiguring everything to be off-road, ABS off, ABS front, No, this one leaves it as it is. You just turn the key and continue your ride, and I like that very much on this motorcycle. Again, I just pressed the high beams by mistake. That button there, it's the third or fourth time I press it, I connect the high beams by mistake, but it's a question of getting used. Other things I mentioned on the review, if you haven't seen, there's a link on the review on one of these sites. You can check the link. I tested off-road, and now it's the tarmac. It's the weight, 187 kilograms on off-road. It is a little bit for the heavy side, but here, as you can see, the motorcycle becomes very maneuverable, very agile, and I have no issues riding on my everyday commutes. The riding position, I do like it. We do have a large handlebar, my arms are opened, I'm well seated, like I said. No, my knees, I'm a tall guy, they are not touching any of the edges of the tank. I do like it. The foot pegs position, I do like those foot pegs also. Of course, I'm riding on tarmac, but if I on a long trip, if I do want to stretch my legs a little bit, I can stand up just like this, stretch the legs for a couple of meters, and then I can go back and sit down again without any issues. It's a possibility, because I can be standing up and reaching the handlebar on this motorcycle without problems, like I showed you on the off-road test drive. Or I do like it. The levers, they are like butter. Gearbox like butter. Okay, just pay attention to traffic, and then I do blinkers on here, and I can change here, and look at this engine. But before you you look at this engine, try to listen to the sound of this exhaust. I don't know if you can listen to it. Maybe now. Really nice sound of the exhaust, and you can have fun with the motorcycle. 80 horsepower, more than enough for touring, for commuting, traveling with your wife. You can put your top case, side bags, wife on top, more gear, camping gear, whatever you want. She will handle it without any problems, and I like it. I like it. Not just because of the performance, but because of the look. Because every time I stop the motorcycle, people just give me the thumbs up. They're saying, yeah, nice bike, really nice, blah blah blah, and all that stuff, and it's growing on me. Like I said, I had a preconceived idea of Aprilias, and this model and this motorcycle changed my idea. I hope that the other models can do the same thing, or continue to have my idea changed, but this one, it changed the idea of the engines that I had from Aprilia and the quality of the materials. But now everything here is top notch, no doubt. I do have to go slow here on this area, as you can see, 40 kilometers an hour. Lisbon in Portugal nowadays it's like this, it's 40, 50, 60, 80. We cannot push too much, and this is not my motorcycle, so this is why I'm going slow. Another thing, it's the windscreen. Okay, it's wide, it protects on the sides, but for a tall guy like me, it does not protect on the top, and it should be adjusted either manually or with or electric. Either way, it should have adjustment. Of course, you can buy another windscreen. It's another option, but I would prefer it to be adjusted. And as you can see, it can commute, but I would advise, if you use this motorcycle for commuting and traveling, which I think 90% of the people that buy this motorcycle do, you should change the tires for more road tires instead of this off-road tires. It will make the ride more comfortable. Definitely, it will make the curving much more confident, because it's off-road tires. They do not offer the same grip as a traditional tire. And basically this is what I wanted to show you. Unfortunately, this area where I'm going, the speeds are not too much. You're probably saying why I'm going too slow, because there's a 50 kilometers limit here, and I do comply with the regulations, because we do have radars on this street, and the tickets, if I have one, it will come from my pocket. And basically, again, this is it, guys. I hope that you like the Aprillia Tuareg, at least here in my everyday commute, in this case on my way to the dealership. Don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for motorcycles, link down in the description, that offers you the first month free. And also subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!